Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender. If you're on the hunt for a powerful, heavy-duty blender that can tackle anything from smoothies to soups with ease, you'll want to stick around for this review. The Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender promises to deliver outstanding performance, all thanks to its robust 2.5 horsepower motor and laser-cut stainless steel blades. This blender is designed with commercial-grade standards in mind, but does it live up to the hype for everyday use? Let's find out. First, let's dive into the specs and features that this blender boasts. At the heart of the Infinity Blender is a 2.5 horsepower motor. This motor is not only powerful, but efficient, able to blend through tough ingredients like frozen fruit, ice, and vegetables without breaking a sweat. The blades, which are laser cut, are engineered to be sharp, thin, and durable. Their precise angles are designed to reduce oxidation during the blending process, ensuring a smoother, creamier blend. This means you're getting fresher, more vibrant smoothies and juices, as the nutrients in your ingredients are preserved better. One of the standout features is the blender's 64-ounce Tritan jar. This BPA-free, stain-resistant jar is tough, lightweight, and designed for long-lasting use. You won't have to worry about it cracking or staining after heavy use. In fact, the whole blender is built with heavy-duty metal gears and premium components, ensuring it can handle tough tasks without overheating. This is a great feature for those who love to blend daily or in large batches. Now let's talk about the real-world experience of using this blender. Setting up the Nuwave Infinity is as straightforward as it gets. You'll be blending in no time with intuitive digital controls that allow you to adjust the speed and time as you go. Whether you're making a quick smoothie or need to puree a soup, the flexibility to fine-tune the settings on the fly is incredibly useful. No more stopping mid-blend to make adjustments. Everything is right at your fingertips. But how does it perform in practice? I tested it out with a variety of tasks, blending frozen fruits, crushing ice, and even making a hearty soup. The results were impressive, but the 2.5 HP motor really shines here, powering through frozen ingredients and ice effortlessly. The blender didn't show any signs of struggling, and the smoothness of the blends was top-notch. For anyone who's ever had a blender overheat or jam during tough tasks, the Nuwave Infinity will be a refreshing change. However, not everything about this blender is perfect. While the 64-ounce jar is large enough for most tasks, it may be a bit too big for smaller servings. This isn't a huge downside, but it's worth mentioning if you don't typically make large batches. Another thing to note is the blender's size. While it's built to last, its substantial footprint means it's best suited for someone with a bit of counter space to spare. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. The Nuwave Infinity excels in build quality and performance. The 2.5 HP motor is powerful, and the laser-cut blades provide smoother blends with less oxidation. It's also incredibly durable, made with commercial-grade materials that are built to last for years, likely even decades. The ability to adjust speed and time on the fly is a huge bonus for those who need versatility. On the downside, the blender is quite large, which might be an issue for those with smaller kitchens or counter space. The large jar is another factor. While it's great for big batches, it may be overkill for individuals or small families who usually make smaller servings. Some might also find the price point a bit steep, but considering the long-lasting durability, it may be worth the investment for heavy users or those looking for a top-tier blender. When we talk value for money, the Nuwave Infinity sits in a higher price range compared to many standard blenders. However, given its commercial-grade design, 2.5 HP motor, and the promise of a lifetime of use, it could be a solid investment for those who want something that performs exceptionally well and lasts for decades. If you compare it to other high-end blenders like the Vitamix 7500, the Infinity offers similar power and durability, but at a slightly more affordable price. Both are heavy-duty, commercial-grade options, but the Nuwave Infinity offers a competitive edge with its intuitive controls and extra durability. In terms of build quality and longevity, this blender is built to withstand the rigors of a commercial environment. That's something you won't see in your average blender. While long-term reliability data is limited, Nuwave's reputation for building tough, durable products gives confidence that this blender will stand the test of time. The 10-year warranty also provides added peace of mind, assuring you that the company stands behind its product. I didn't have to deal with any customer support issues during my review process, but Nuwave has a solid reputation in the industry for standing behind their products. If any issues arise, the 10-year warranty ensures that you won't be left out in the cold. Now let's wrap things up. The Nuwave Infinity Commercial Blender delivers on its promises of power, durability, and performance. With its 2.5 OXP motor, laser-cut blades, and NSF certification, it's designed for serious use, whether for commercial kitchens or home enthusiasts who demand the best. While its size might be a challenge for smaller kitchens, the performance and longevity make it an excellent investment for those who blend regularly or in large quantities. If you're looking for a heavy-duty blender that can handle anything you throw at it, this is certainly worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or thoughts about the Nuwave Infinity Blender, drop them in the comments below. The link to get your own Nuwave Infinity is in the comments box too. Goodbye till next time, and remember, it's all Reviews Inside TV.